Hi there, Frank here for premium members for the trading day of May the 15th, 2025, a Thursday. So just a quick look at the Market Scanner Pro shows us that it's full of colors, so lots of things happening, lots of bullish hot zones and setups. So look at these, also price outside the Keltner, long tails, inside bars. Look at this information as you plan for tomorrow's session. And let's start with the indexes here. Ideally on the ES, I would like to see a pullback here. Please note that on the YM, we already have the pullback. So this is what the ES will ideally give us, but there's no guarantees for pullbacks. Look at the NQ, for example, which is most likely at this point just turned into a slide as it approaches the previous pivot. A slide, as you know, is a characteristic price action behavior when price just slides along the Keltner without pullbacks. So pick your battles and see which one you like, but I think one way or the other, all of the indexes will test for the previous highs. On to currencies. I think the best one is actually on the 6B, a nice bull flag on the 6B that we can probably do something with. Here we go. The trigger area is pretty clearly defined here by the top of this candle here on the daily. And also the 6A and the 6N didn't do much today, but the setup is valid. So monitor this for a trigger. You're interested in this and the 6N as well. Here we go. This is still a pretty good looking complex pullback here. Okay, precious metals are taking a break. I don't think this is a permanent reversal, but certainly GC is probably, look at the weekly chart, it's even possible that we will retest this previous 2900-ish, 3000-ish area here. And also parallel with that, nothing is happening on the SI. I didn't really see anything else. MBT, we're long about maybe 0.8. If you don't want to hang out here for days and days and days doing nothing, then just take whatever is there and move on. And that's about it for a Thursday. So let's see what the indexes can give us, and then we'll take it from there. So thank you very much. We'll be back in the morning, and until then, mindful trading.